Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to revise the poem Friendship Explanation. Let us see a story of true friendship.
True friendship. This story is of naughty Gattu and his sister Chinky. Once, Gattu and Chinky were playing in the garden of their house. And while playing, they heard barking of a dog. At first, they both ignored it. But when the dog kept on barking, Chinky went to the gate to find out what is the matter.
Why are you barking? What's the matter?
It seems he won't stop like this. I shall teach him a lesson.
Wait, Gattu. Beating a poor animal like this is not the right thing to do. Come on, we will take him inside.
With affection, Chinky took him inside the house, cleaned his wound, did his dressing, gave him water, and loved him much.
Now you will get cured soon. And from today, you will live with us. But, my dear dog, what will we call you? Moti. Moti is a good name. Yes, from today, everyone will call you Moti.
He can't live with us. See how dirty he is.
Gattu.
Naughty Gattu didn't like this at all. After all, how could someone love a dirty animal like this? This thought was going on in his mind.
No matter what happens, I will get rid of this dirty animal.
By seeing affection between Chinky and Moti, Gattu became very jealous. He was unable to bear Moti's presence in the house. To get rid of Moti, Gattu started playing dirty tricks.
Now I will teach you a wonderful lesson, kid.
Chinky used to come and rescue Moti whenever Gattu tried to play dirty tricks with him.
Come on, Moti. It's evening now. You should take rest too.
Gattu thought of a trick after seeing Moti being tied outside the house.
Today I will leave you at such a place from where you will never be able to come back.
Moti. Gattu, have you seen Moti anywhere? I can't find him anywhere.
No, I haven't. I was sleeping.
Chinky was crying incessantly. Gattu was feeling very bad for Chinky, but he was happy that Moti had finally gone.
Don't cry, Chinky. Maybe Moti himself must have gone somewhere.
But he was my best friend.
And that night, a thief entered their house. Help! Please, someone help! Please save me!
Hey, what kind of noise is this?
Seems someone is calling for help outside.
Gattu. Gattu. Wake up. I heard Moti barking right now.
Sleep. Moti will not come. Okay, come. Let's have a look.
Save me! From this dog! Please save me!
Spare him, Moti. But he has never done such thing to anyone. Who are you?
And then, Gattu saw his bicycle, which was lying there on the ground.
I understood everything. He's a thief who come to steal my bicycle. Tell me, am I right or not? Aren't you a thief?
Listen, now before I let Moti attack you again, get out from here.
Please forgive me, Chinky.
Why are you apologizing?
Because I didn't like his presence in our house. That's why I left Moti in a forest far away from our house. But how did he come back?
This is their special quality. Whomsoever they become friend to, they never leave them ever. When you left Moti in jungle, he came here by himself. And when he saw thief coming inside the house, then he attacked badly.
Right, Chinky? We all should learn a lesson from these innocent animals. That what is true friendship.
And this way, Gattu realized his mistake. And from that day onwards, Gattu and Moti became true friends.
Children, This is how Gattu and Moti became very good friends. A friend is a person who wishes you well and keeps all the secrets that you like to tell. Children, a friend is a person who wishes always well. When you are in trouble, he or she helps you to come out from the problem. When you are about to win a game, he or she cheers for you. And when you are happy, your friend celebrates your happiness with you. Also, you always like to share your secrets with your friend because a friend is the only person to whom we can trust, as he or she always loyal and honest for us. Friends share their toys and their story books too. Friends can be older or younger than you. Children, when you and your friend play, you share your toys. When you and your friend draw or color pictures, you share colors. When you and your friend eat, you share food. When you and your friend talk, you share your thoughts. When you and your friend read, you share your storybooks. Here, the poetess wants to share about friendship. In friendship, we share everything that we have. In your family or in neighbor, there are some people who are older than you. Though they are your friends and they share everything with you. For example, your grandparents or parents. Also, there are few family members who are younger than you. You take care of themselves. You love and guide them well. You always wish for them. So this is how younger family members and elder family members are also your friends. Friends can be real or made up in your mind, but they are always thoughtful and always kind. Your classmates, younger or elder family members, or neighbors are your real friends. But there are some more things you consider them as your friend. And you made friendship in your mind. Suppose if no one will be there at home, you play with your toy and spend more time with the toy. Your toy car, your toy doll, etc. You forgive everything, you just play with the toy. It means you consider toys as your friends. They are not real, but you consider them as your friend and make friendship in your mind. Your friends always thoughtful for you. They always think for you positive. They always guide you for positive things. They are always honest with you. They care about you. They show always positive attitude towards you. Friends can be live nearby or very far. but your friends are your friends whenever you are. Yes, you spend more time in school or classroom. You do many more activities in the school. Also, when you go back from school, you spend more time with your family members. You play and fun with your parents, grandparents, siblings and cousins. Also, there are few more friends who live nearby your house. And you play in the evening, but sometimes they are far away from you. Now, though your friend live nearby your house, but you cannot meet him or her. Also, you cannot meet your classmates because of the lockdown period. We should maintain the social distance. But still, you can call your friend and have a talk. Or else, you can play online games like a Ludo, chess or trade. Though your friend is far away from you, you and your friend always being kind and thoughtful for each other. Today we saw one story, and that Chinky was always thoughtful and kind about Moti, and she cried when she not found Moti at home. Also, Moti came back to help out Chinky's family. Though he was far away, he came back and saved Chinky's family on time. This is how, though you are far away from your friend, but your friends are your friends whenever you are. Children, this is how we have finished the poem with explanation. Related to this poem, you received few more homework assignments on 24/4/2020, question number 1 and 2, and on 27/4/2020, question number 3rd, 4th. Those who have not completed homework assignment, still they are going to complete the homework assignments, and those already completed the homework assignments, they will get on their personal email ID hot worksheets related to the same topic. Also, those who have completed the homework assignments, they can revise the lessons with the worksheets. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching and bye bye.